Hey everyone, my name's Skotty, and if you're considering doing the Uke Can Do It course, I'm the guy that's going to get you up and strumming. The overarching idea is to get you to play 5 songs. I figure if you can do 5 songs, then that's going to be enough confidence for you to learn more and understand that ukulele is not about playing the most and best. It's more just about a personal journey of enjoying. We all play at different levels, but we still all enjoy it just as much. If I can get you up and on your feet playing 5 songs, I think that's enough to encourage you to continue to pursue it. It'll also give you the tools that if you do want to pursue it, you can pursue it autonomously, or you can continue to do classes. Set a goal. My goal is to have you all strumming and playing in a concert at a uke party at the end of the course. It's an ambitious goal, but it's one that creates motivation, and motivation creates action. For that reason, we're going to drive towards that goal, and that's going to prompt us to find and make the time necessary to conduct something like that. Don't worry, it's not going to be too hard, and everybody can just work to their own level, but that's the goal, and that's what we're going to drive towards. So I've been a teacher and a musician for roughly 20 years altogether, and one of the common things that I've seen throughout that time is people who've wanted to do it but just never knew where to start. And I'm giving you a start, and I will definitely get you coached and up on your feet in a great social little fun activity that hopefully inspires you to go on and do more. If this all sounds really good, you should come.